In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can adjust the opacity of a layer in Procreate. So first, we're going to select this layer icon here. And then you can either press the N here to adjust your opacity. As you can see, it's now adjusted to 33%. Or you can do the 2-finger tap of your layer and then just move your finger here to adjust the opacity. As easy like that. So those are 2 ways to adjust your opacity of a layer in Procreate. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.